Hey girl, hey, or should I say, hey boy, hey. Guess what? Today is Monday, and every Monday at OMG & Co., also known as OMG Scrunchie Club, we offer a Monday bundle. This week, instead of doing scrunchies, we are doing earrings, and I'm wearing the first pair of earrings that will be included in this week's bundle. And these are our lovely Fringe denim pinstriped earrings. Yes, you heard that right. Denim pinstriped earrings. You can get this along with two other pair of fabulous Fringe earrings that we offer. So first pair, normally our earrings run between $22 to $26. But if you get it on this bundle this week while supplies last, you can get all three of the Fringe earrings for $50. So first pair, right here, and they're lightweight too. Second pair of earrings are our faux leather French earrings. So we have these earrings here. They come in a wide cut, but this isn't the wide cut. And yes, they're very lightweight too. And hey, New Year's is coming up. You may want to wear some leather with some gold here, or for Thanksgiving. So this is the second pair of earrings. So the faux leather French earrings. And here comes the third pair right now. The third pair are a very lightweight navy blue chiffon pair of earrings. Yes, lightweight, fun, fabulous, great for the holidays, great for the fall season, Christmas, New Year's, anytime. So get in on this week's bundle. Go to OMG & Co., also known as OMGandscrunchieclub.com. Yes, we make statement pieces for the bold. So how bold are you? Get your earrings and your statement pieces from OMGandCo.com. See you there. Bye.